Your stream is good.
But it can be better.
Alright then, reveal your secrets. Hey, what's up my friends? In this video, I'm going to talk about how to improve your Twitch stream and actually grow from 0 viewers.
Don't
what?
Don't give me hope.
And by the end of this video, you're going to have a clear indication on what needs to improve or what you need to do to attract more viewers to your live stream. Yeah, it's cool. So without wasting your time, here's the first thing that you need to improve on. Yourself. When the streamer gets better, the stream gets better. That's fact. You're the most important part of your live stream. So how can you as the streamer actually get better? Well, by having a sense of humor. You know what's the crazy reality of Twitch streamers and why so many people are live streaming to 0 people? They boring. Straight up fact. They boring. And I'm pretty sure most of you guys would agree with me that when you scroll down to the depths of Twitch and see those people's 0 viewers and you click on it, it's like watching death. No offense to any of them, but I feel like if those people even implemented these 5 tips that I'm going to give now, their stream would drastically improve and they would grow on Twitch. So yeah, how do you combat being boring? I think the first thing is you need to realize that sometimes you might be boring, and hey, sometimes I've been boring. I even said this in my previous video where I watched my old streams and I was like, good lord, someone watched this? Why would they even watch me? And then after that, I decided I'm going to be more entertaining. I am going to be more engaging. I'm going to climb out of my comfort zone. So what did I do? I looked at my sense of humor. Okay. So I realized immediately what separates a boring streamer from an entertaining streamer is their sense of humor. It's like a stand-up comedian. They have a great sense of humor. So I did some research for you guys. Did you know that there's 9 types of sense of humors? Who knew? Why not 10? Anyways, here they are. Let me know which one you are in the comments below. Number 1, the physical. This is like the person who just kind of like mimes and like expresses with their body, and they're kind of like super extra. What am I even doing? Number 2, the self-depreciating. I like to call this one the self-roaster. Essentially, you roast yourself. That's great because you never really want to offend a viewer. But hey, you can roast yourself and get away with it. It's just that. My pro tip in life is always, if I roast myself, no one else can roast me. Number 3, surreal. It's pretty much the extra dumbass. Number 4, the improvisational. Yo, what a word. Improvisational. Someone help me out in the comments. I've probably like triggered y'all. But this is essentially my life in high school. Just improved everything. How did I even make it this far? Okay. Number 5, the Wit-Wordy. The guy that makes viewers feel like dummy dum-dums. You know that guy that knows like every word in the dictionary, and like they're really smart because they can turn anything into a pun, and I love puns. Number 6, the topical. This is kind of like your Joe Rogan show, or like, you know, when people are hosting podcasts. I love ACG, Tim the Tap Man, you know, like what they kind of do, their kind of style. For those of you that love talking and never shut up during movies, it's perfect for you. Number 7, the observational. This is the person who just kind of laughs away at their pain. It's like those who kind of just play Dark Souls laughing all the time. Or you make fun of current situations or circumstances or events in games, or reacting to your chats, you know, just being awesome. Number 8, the bodily. Oh yes, the good old fart jokes. Anything related to bodily stuff.
You're sore from squeezing out solid globs of rocky road. The Squatty Potty gives you a smooth stream of froyo that glides like a virgin swan.
I don't recommend this one. And if you're this one, you're... yeah, good luck. Number 9, the dark one. This is that kid at the back of the class that wants to stab you. I'm kidding. This is those with that sinister sense of humor. You know what, to be honest, I love some good dark sense of humor. And you know what, essentially just go make evil decisions in games. It's fun, people want to watch that. Although, I think the most evil thing you could ever do is play a evil playthrough in Red Dead Redemption 2. Let me know if you agree with me. Okay, sense of humor is over. You're not going to be boring anymore. Please don't be boring anymore. The second thing that's going to improve your live streams is interactive streams. Why did I do that? Don't worry guys, it's PG-13. Sorry, I might have scrolled a bit. Well, that was a lovely bonding session. Hey, welcome to the stream. Make sure to hit that follow. If you're enjoying this, make sure to smash that subscribe button. No, Joel, not that interactive. Keep it PG viewer plus. Come on, we spoke about this. What do I mean by interactive? Brace yourselves. Channel points, sound alerts, votes, music, and more. If you're serious about growing from 0 viewers, that means that you need to be serious about giving viewers a reason to stay on your channel. You see, the sad reality is us fickle human beings, so easily distracted. Oh yeah, I'm making a video. Oh, so distracted I am. You see what I'm talking about? Think of it this way. You're literally competing with Netflix, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and that series that your viewer is currently binging. And they have to literally decide to stay on your channel. So, competition much? So I believe that one of the ways to keep viewers on your channel for as long as possible is to give them something to do. And some of the best ways to do this is through creative channel points or awesome sound alerts. And you know, all of these can be linked together, or where they can choose the music, or they have a say in your stream. They can make you do things. But in all seriousness, your viewers deserve to be a part of your stream. You know, it's like holding a dog bone and never throwing it for your dog so that they can give it back. The poor dog. Don't be that streamer. Give your viewers a reason to stay and interact. And I'm pretty sure you will grow from 0 viewers to a quintillion viewers. Don't quote me on that or blame me if you don't reach that. Third way you need to improve your stream is great audio. What is great audio? Great audio to me is, okay, yes, a great microphone, but also amazing music playing in the background, so it's not like this awkward silence. And most importantly, it's not loud AF and destroying my ears and my sanity. Great audio is subjective, but trash audio isn't. Here's what trash audio sounds like. And may I warn thee to turn thy volume down. Once upon a time, there was a man who owned a Labrador dog. He called this dog Bella, but Bella had a sister named Molly. And Molly was so cute. Yeah, there is trash audio. Make sure that your audio is even better than okay. It needs to be excellent. Audio is the first impression other than overlays, which leads me to my next point. Something's wrong, master. What is wrong, my Padawan? I feel an imbalance in the stream designs. Oh yeah, this one might hit hard. There's an imbalance in your stream overlays. There's a thing called overlay overloads, and that's when you make your stream look like trash. The problem is, my poor little human eyeball can only absorb so much information. I mean, so guess what you need to do to improve that stream? Put on that stream birthday suit. Not that one, Joel. I thought you were talking about clothes. No, what I'm talking about is stripping down those designs and making it as simple and clean and slick as possible. But hey, still dope enough to make streamers go, I like myself some of that. Your look and feel and design is subject to you and your brand and what you like. But one of the biggest tips I can give you is to keep it as minimal as possible. Have as little on your screen as possible, like please. Like viewers are more interested in looking at your face than names. I'm just gonna put that one out there straight away. I would rather stare into those beautiful eyes than seeing pixelated fonts. While yes, I do agree that you need to show off your supporters and acknowledge them, but that shouldn't be the main feature of your stream. So keep that in mind, because hey, having a minimal, slick, and seeing that beautiful face will instantly improve your stream. The fifth and final thing that's going to instantly improve your stream, be a nice human being. I don't know why this one feels like it's going to be the hardest one for me to ask, but just simply be a nice human being that's there to serve your viewers, to entertain your viewers, to love your viewers, and give them the best possible streaming experience. That means sometimes reflecting on your past streams and going, I need to change. Or watching this video and going, This good video. I like and subscribe. In all seriousness, it's having that humility to also not only love your viewers or like this video, but also to love your teammates if you're playing a game, or just to acknowledge the viewers that are there every single time. Try your best to remember their names and be like, hey man, missed you, so cool to have you back here. Or printing out some of the subscribers names. I've seen a few of my friends are doing that. It's so cool, so jealous. I want to print out people's names, but I need people's names to print out. So I'll see you guys when I live stream. And hey, if you're not growing on Twitch, I have a video just for you. It's called Not Growing on Twitch. The Savage Truth Why. Go check it out and I'll see you there. May the force be with you. Peace out. I love you.